Good morning. It's Friday, January 9th. If you were looking for a quiet end to the week, the U.S. economic calendar has other plans.
Definitely. We have the Fed, the Supreme Court, and some major internal shifts in the crypto dev space all converging today. I'm CryptoPod.
And I'm TechSlice. Let's jump straight into the macro, because the 8:30 a.m. data release is the primary driver right now. We are expecting the non-farm payrolls to show about 55,000 jobs added for December.
It's a low number, and with the jobless rate forecast to decline to 4.5%, the Fed is in a tight spot. They've been citing a softening labor market as the reason for rate cuts.
Which is exactly why a weak report today could weaken the dollar and send Bitcoin higher. But we have a conflicting signal. The dollar index just hit a golden cross.
Right, the 50-day over the 200-day average. That suggests the dollar has a lot of short-term momentum, which could act as a ceiling for Bitcoin, which has been struggling to stay above $90,500.
Serious tone. Beyond the numbers, we have a massive legal overhang. The Supreme Court is deciding if the administration's use of emergency laws for tariffs was constitutional. Prediction markets are skeptical, showing only a 28% chance of a full uphold.
If the tariffs are deemed illegal, risk sentiment should improve. However, we have to consider the ethical dilemma here, the push and pull between executive power and market stability.
Transitioning. Speaking of stability, the Zcash ecosystem is feeling anything but stable. The core developer team has resigned following a clash with their board. It's a major blow to the privacy coin narrative.
It really highlights the risks of centralized governance in decentralized projects. Contrast that with World Liberty Financial applying for a federal bank charter. They are moving toward full institutional oversight.
It's a total shift in market structure. We're also seeing Bitcoin ETF outflows for the third straight day, totaling over $1 billion. The early January optimism is being tested.
It really makes you wonder, as we move toward more regulation and bank charters, are we losing the original crypto mission in exchange for price stability?
That is the question of the year. We'll be watching the Michigan inflation figures and Neil Kashkari's comments at 10 a.m. very closely. Stay sharp.
The information provided in this script is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Investing in cryptocurrencies and digital assets involves significant risk, including the loss of all capital. The discussion of golden cross patterns, ETF outflows, and federal bank charters does not constitute financial advice. The Zcash governance crisis highlights the ethical and operational risks inherent in decentralized protocol management. Always consult with a certified financial professional before making investment decisions.